Hello and welcome back to C Natural DIY. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this natural black soap shampoo. With this shampoo, I made the shampoo with flaxseed and black soap, and this shampoo help sort the scalp, strengthen the hair, and it's help deep cleanse your hair and your scalp, and it fights dandruff and itchy scalp. And I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this African black soap shampoo. And if you're struggling with growing your hair, you're struggling with build-ups and dandruff on your hair, this shampoo is for you. And so to get started, as you can see, I'm measuring out my black soap. I'm measuring out 198 grams of black soap in my beaker, as I'm doing here already. And for the water I used hot distilled water. At this point, I'm boiling my distilled water. After boiling it, I measured out 545 grams of distilled water, hot water. Then after measuring it out, then the next thing I did was to pour the hot water over the shampoo. After mixing, I'm going to cover my black soap and for 2 to 3 hours so that the black soap will fully dissolve. At that point, my black soap is fully dissolved in the hot water I used earlier. Then the next, with my cheesecloth or strainer, I'm going to strain to get the quantity I want. So after straining my black soap, I'm going to measure out 197 grams of my black soap. Then the next I added is my coconut oil, 10 grams. At this point, I'm adding my FENUGREEK extract. Below this video, I'm going to drop the link on how to make this FENUGREEK extract instead of buying from the store. And next step is to mix my glycerin and xanthan gum together. The xanthan gum will serve as a thickener for this black soap shampoo. And for the FENUGREEK, I added the FENUGREEK extract. I used 10 grams of FENUGREEK extract, 10 grams of coconut oil, 2 grams of xanthan gum, and 10 grams of glycerin. After mixing it, I added it to my shampoo mixture. Then the next, I'm adding 18 grams of aloe vera juice. I'm mixing it as I'm adding, so I incorporate it into it. The next is my preservative. Here I use liquid German plus 1 gram. Please follow your manufacturer's instruction as you use your preservative. So after adding my preservative, I'm going to cover and keep aside for like 30 to 1 hour. The next I'm adding at this point is my fragrance oil. I use the essential oil rather. If you don't have essential oil, you can use a fragrance oil. And after adding it, I'm going to mix it very well. And guys, at this point, our black soap shampoo is ready. If you're having itchy scalp, if you're having itchy scalp, dandruff, this shampoo is for you. It will help unclog pores. It will help wash your hair. Using it once a week is ideal for you, depending on your routine. Please don't forget to share my videos if you enjoy them. If you have any question, don't forget to make use of the comment section. I will always be there to respond to your question.